Hello and welcome to English Grammar Made Simple. This video explores the structure, word order and distinctions in answering and asking questions in the present continuous, past continuous and future continuous tenses. In short, tense means verb plus time. Before starting the study of verb tenses, let's move on to the 6 key forms of verbs. The present participle form of verbs is required in continuous tenses. For instance, the verb play changes to playing in the present participle form, whereas the verb do changes to doing and the verb write changes to writing. Let's move on to word orders. There are 5 basic word orders in English. They are SV, SV not, VS, VS not and question word plus VS. S represents the subject and V stands for auxiliary verb. Let's move on to present continuous tense. Subject and structure. Subject I, structure am plus ing. Subjects we, you and they. Structure are plus ing. Subjects he, she and it. Structure is plus ing. Ing indicates the present participle. Let's move on to word orders in present continuous tense. Subject I. Verb work. Structure am plus ing. I am working from home. SV. I am not working from home. SV not. Am I working from home? VS. Am I not working from home? VS not. Why am I working from home? Question word plus VS. Subjects we, you and they. Verb work. You are working from home. SV. You are not working from home. SV not. Are you working from home? VS. Are you not working from home? VS not. Why are you working from home? Question word plus VS. Subjects he, she and it. Verb work. He is working from home. SV. He is not working from home. SV not. Is he working from home? VS. Is he not working from home? VS not. Why is he working from home? Question word plus VS. Let's move on to answering VS. For example, is he working from home? Positive full answer. Yes, he is working from home. Positive short answer. Yes, he is. Negative full answer. No, he is not working from home. Negative short answer. No, he isn't. Let's move on to answering question word plus VS. For example, what are you doing there? The likely response will be, I am practicing yoga, a holistic practice originating from ancient Bharat. Following that, past continuous tense. Subjects I, he, she and it. Structure was plus ing. Subjects we, you and they. Structure verb plus ing. Let's move on to word orders in past continuous tense. Verb listen. He was listening to music. SV. He was not listening to music. SV not. Was he listening to music? VS. Was he not listening to music? VS not. When was he listening to music? Question word plus VS. Let's move on to answering VS. For example, was he listening to music? Positive full response. Yes, he was listening to music. Positive short response. Yes, he was. Negative full response. No, he was not listening to music. Negative short response. No, he wasn't. Following that, answering question word plus vs. When was he listening to music? The likely response will be he was listening to music when the power went off. Let's move on to future continuous tense. Subjects and structure. Subjects I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. All subjects. Structure will be plus ing. In most modern English contexts, will is the preferred choice for expressing the future tense, regardless of the person.